Mitraaya namaha. Thank you for being with Energy Circles. Welcome to Energy Circles VSPTenneti channel upon YouTube. Please do not forget to subscribe and respond. Be with me. Energize and strengthen your MOOLADHAARA chakra. Yes. The yogic subjects reveal the major 7 chakras within the human body. MOOLADHAARA, Swadhisthana, Manipuraka, Anahata, Vishuddha, Ajna and Sahasrara chakras from below to the top. There are many more mini chakras and multi-mini chakras associated and connected to these 7 chakras. If the 4-petaled red-colored lotus flower at the base of the spinal cord is bright and strong, you can see the power of determination, willpower, boldness, goodwill, and willingness to achieve higher goals. But if it is weak, not fully blossomed, fogged with dull color combinations, shriveled and partially damaged, dullness, timidity, hesitation, lack of confidence and fear to involve, react, respond, judge and communicate are the salient features. You can easily identify them. The person with a strong MOOLADHAARA chakra will be willing to learn and accept. The person with a weak MOOLADHAARA chakra will not be ready to accept anything. He will be condemning, he will be retorting, he will be rejecting, he will be criticizing, he will be finding faults. Not only with external things, with everything around him, with his family members, with his relationships, with his own activities, he tries to throw the blame on others. He enjoys ridiculing others. That is the weakness of the MOOLADHAARA chakra. Just smile away at them. The 4 petals of the MOOLADHAARA chakra is ruled by 4 Shakti Devatas, the powerful deities Vaagdevi, Shriya Devi, Shanda Devi and Saraswati. Lakini Devi is the directing force, while SIDDHI is the controller. Simply trying to appease Ganapati with rituals will take a long process. It is very important to clear the ground and prepare the inner being to make the divine journey peaceful and successful. If the sadhana, the penance or the practice happens without any hazards and side effects, the experiences are simply miraculous. One who experiences joy, peace, and the positive vibrations inside, one who is able to realize the power of the golden liquid light in the backbone, will not be curious to show off or make tall talks about his own self. He will gradually rise to the level of others talking high about him. His auric fields keep energizing and motivating others. His very presence makes the difference. People around in his auric fields will be highly motivated, cheerful and happy. Mruganana Tantra reveals gold, Panchaloha, specific gemstone Ganapati forms manifested through secret mantra chantings and prana pratishtas done both to the statue and the energized yantras. There are several rituals too which help the aspirants to achieve goals faster. There are wonderful Nyasa Bijakshara mantras initiated to the chosen. It all depends upon the Guru and the faith. The surrender towards Guru Tattva and the faith. This makes the difference. And they are not easy, they are expensive if they are manifested according to the system and rituals. This works. Energize and strengthen your Mooladhara chakra, I tell you. There are many secret tantric practices initiated to the deserving aspirants by Siddha gurus who never let it out open, as it may cause exaggerated hyperactive behavioral vibrations in the chakras of the innocent and ignorant. The Talpa Kalapa Vidhi to strengthen the chakras and the concerned mini chakras is an elaborate process which was revealed to Himalayan yogis and ashram vasis who could dedicate their lives into long spiritual sadhanas. Energy Circle's attempts to give away simple, easy and harmless procedures to help the dedicated aspirants, and we consider that everybody has got only 24 hours and people are really busy. Highly activated Moola Siddha Ganapati. There are very powerful methods of cleansing the inner space through prescribed breath techniques, breathing techniques. Pranayama is the powerful key. Nuke frequency does miracles in cleansing. The best time to practice Mooladhara chakra activation methods is between 4:30 a.m. and 6 a.m. every day. Cold water or lukewarm water bath is very good. Red color clothes, red carpet, red color lighting, red fruits and red flowers around can further boost the practice. You should mentally, manasa vacha karmana, be able to visualize red all over. Sit facing east in a comfortable posture and begin the activation method. Let me reveal it to you. The very powerful Vihanga Pranayama, very simple one, very popular one though. If you want to energize and strengthen your Mooladhara chakra, please follow this. This is simple and easy, and this works, it helps. Close the left nostril, the Ida Nadi pathway, with right hand thumb and breathe in through the right nostril, Pingala Nadi pathway, mentally counting the Nuke ultra frequency number silently. Very slowly. These numbers do magic. 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. Let me repeat it again. The ultra frequency number which activates your sadhana pertaining to your Mooladhara chakra. 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. The third and the last time I repeat this ultra frequency number, receive it with love and grace. 3, 6, 9, 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. Do not inscribe this number anywhere. It is only for you. It is your personal magic key. As you inhale, visualize red color going into your body. Hold the breath for 7 counts. That is, you're inhaling red color through your nostrils, into your body, down to the edge of your spinal cord, and soon after you touch the spinal cord tailbone, hold the breath, hold your breathing for 7 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And slowly breathe out black or ash color. Then again, you may hold it for another 7 counts if you like. Do this Vihanga Pranayama 33 times, particularly during the Brahmi Muhurta or early hours of the day. Now, silently visualize that your filled up totally in red color, everywhere red, only red. Now focus upon your Mooladhara chakra. The red color, 4-petaled lotus flower situated at the base of your spinal cord, the Mooladhara chakra. Soon after finishing the Vihanga Pranayama breathing, visualize the vital 7 sets of Surya beams falling upon you from the galaxy and gently penetrating through your Brahmarandhra, the center of your scalp. People who have done Arkavidya and Shamantaka Vidya can visualize the beam passing through the Shamantaka Bani by applying the Keshara Sutram and the Swagata Mudra. Visualize the beam penetrating into your body through your Brahmarandhra, the center of your scalp. As this happens, chant the highly powerful Saptakirana mantra 21 times or more. While chanting, become aware of all the negative traits of the weak Mooladhara warding away and the chakra becoming strong, bright and vital. Let me tell you clearly, as long as you don't realize your faults, as long as you cannot accept others humbly showing your faults to you, you cannot move to the next level. So first accept it, realize and feel that the negativities are just leaving your body and your life system. Sapta Kirana Dhyanam. Chant this at least once. Saptashvaradhamarudham Mahavistirnam Ravimandalah Adharabhuto Kalatma Prasida Saptakiranatejaha Sushumno Harikeshascha Vishwakarma Tadhaivacha Vishwavyachaha Punaschasya Sampadvasu Arvagvamaha Swaradasya Prakirtitaha Antarmukhodbhave Mahagoptre Hram Hrim Hraum Bijanadaha Saptachakre Dvadashatma Panchakoshe Varnaranjitaha Mooladhare Sushobitaha Dhyana Purusho Mahavishnu Yoga Marge Vishwamohanaha. Now receive the very powerful Saptakirana Dhara mantra with utmost love and faith. Chant this mantra slowly, minimum 21 times. You can do it more and more if you fall in love with the vibration. Receive the beautiful Saptakirana Dhara mantra, chanted 21 times. Varade Shriye Shanda Saraswate Hrim Klim Shri Lakinye Prasanna Varadaye Namaha. वरदे श्रिये षण्डा सरस्वती ह्रीं क्लीं श्रीं लाकिन्यै प्रसन्नवरदायै नमः। वरदे श्रिये षण्डा सरस्वती ह्रीं क्लीं श्रीं लाकिन्यै प्रसन्नवरदायै नमः। वरदे श्रिये षण्डा सरस्वती ह्रीं क्लीं श्रीं लाकिन्यै प्रसन्नवरदायै नमः। वरदे श्रिये षण्डा सरस्वती ह्रीं क्लीं श्रीं लाकिन्यै प्रसन्नवरदायै नमः। वरदे श्रिये षण्डा सरस्वती ह्रीं क्लीं श्रीं लाकिन्यै प्रसन्नवरदायै नमः। वरदे श्रिये षण्डा सरस्वती ह्रीं क्लीं श्रीं लाकिन्यै प्रसन्नवरदायै नमः। वरदे श्रिये षण्डा सरस्वती ह्रीं क्लीं श्रीं लाकिन्यै प्रसन्नवरदायै नमः। वरदे श्रिये षण्डा सरस्वती ह्रीं क्लीं श्रीं लाकिन्यै प्रसन्नवरदायै नमः। वरदे श्रिये षण्डा सरस्वती ह्रीं क्लीं श्रीं लाकिन्यै प्रसन्नवरदायै नमः। वरदे श्रिये षण्डा सरस्वती ह्रीं क्लीं श्रीं लाकिन्यै प्रसन्नवरदायै नमः। वरदे श्रिये षण्डा सरस्वती ह्रीं क्लीं श्रीं लाकिन्यै प्रसन्नवरदायै नमः। ह्रां श्रिये षण्डा सरस्वती ह्रीं क्लीं श्रीं लाकिन्यै प्रसन्नवरदायै नमः। वरदे श्रिये षण्डा सरस्वती ह्रीं क्लीं श्रीं लाकिन्यै प्रसन्नवरदायै नमः। वरदे श्रिये षण्डा सरस्वती ह्रीं क्लीं श्रीं लाकिन्यै प्रसन्नवरदायै नमः। वरदे श्रिये षण्डा सरस्वती ह्रीं क्लीं श्रीं लाकिन्यै प्रसन्नवरदायै नमः। ह्रां वरदे श्रिये षण्डा सरस्वती ह्रीं क्लीं श्रीं लाकिन्यै प्रसन्नवरदायै नमः। वरदे श्रिये षण्डा सरस्वती ह्रीं क्लीं श्रीं लाकिन्यै प्रसन्नवरदायै नमः। वरदे श्रिये षण्डा सरस्वती ह्रीं क्लीं श्रीं लाकिन्यै प्रसन्नवरदायै नमः। वरदे श्रिये षण्डा सरस्वती ह्रीं क्लीं श्रीं लाकिन्यै प्रसन्नवरदायै नमः। ॐ Hreem, Hraum, Varade Shriye Shanda Saraswati Hreem Kleem Shreem Lakinye Prasannavaradaye namaha. Kindly remember the following factors. Energize and strengthen your Mooladhara chakra. Remember these 8 points. 1. Resort to this practice with faith and surrender. 2. Do it preferably in the early mornings, 4:30 a.m. to 6 a.m. 3. Do Vihanga Pranayama. 4. Chant the Sapta Kirana Dhyanam. 5. Chant the Sapta Kirana Dhara mantra 21 times or more. 6. Silence is the best method, but talk less by choice. Chatterboxers leak the positive energies unknowingly. 7. Shun anger and vices, no addictions. 8. Avoid wrong associations. Identify them who can suck off and drain you all the energies, all the positive traits you have. Keep yourself away from them. Don't react. If the Mooladhara chakra picks up the vitality and brightness, one can gradually experience boldness, self-confidence, urge to achieve big, absorb any shocks or mishaps, will to build goodwill by promise keeping, and always strive to work hard. Spiritual pursuits go well. They find themselves in the company of positive people who stay well motivated and keep motivating others. They avoid the company of people who keep talking vulgar and negative. They love to give respect and thus take respect. They do not stoop down disrespecting opposite sex. They gradually transform into the divine form of unconditional love, the zoolographic love. Mitraaya namaha. Please resort to this. Don't make tall talks about yourself. Do not reveal your miracles to others. Hold them tight if you want to receive more. Surrender to Guru Tattva. Ghrani Surya Aditya Om. Ghrani Surya Aditya Purnanandaya Om. I am a zero and I honestly believe my Guru is the hero. Digvijayi Bhava. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samastha సుఖినో భవంతు ఆయురారోగ్యమైశ్వర్యం దేహి మే పరాంబికా. మిత్రాయ నమః. Welcome to Energy Circle's VSPTenneti channel. Thank you for the amazing response. Please do not forget to pass it on and subscribe. Thank you very much. Aditya Sakshi, Sampurna Raksha.